Welcome to Dawn of Cooking, and in this week's video I'm going to be using my sourdough starter and making some quick and easy hamburger buns for dinner tonight. So come along with me in this video and let's get cooking. Now to make these hamburger buns, first you need some nice bubbly sourdough starter. Look how nice and raised up this dough is, so we can go ahead and now put together our hamburger buns. It was nice because it only took 1 hour to raise. Alright, we're just going to let these raise in the oven in a nice warm spot. And I made 8. And if you'd like to have them a little smaller, just go ahead and make 10. These will take like a half hour or so to raise. So see you back in a couple minutes. Here they are all raised up. See how big they are? So you might want to make more like 10 if you don't want them quite this large. Thanks for coming along with me in this week's video making these sourdough hamburger buns that we are going to enjoy later on tonight. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love hearing from you guys, so leave me a comment down below. So happy cooking, and I will see you in the next video.